To do a little emergency video just in case you have a problem with your VPS. I just want to show you a little trick which you can do, because what I've had is where I've had my account 3, ironically I've had a problem with my Cloud Z. If we click on the Cloud Z, you see power issue at Netherlands Amsterdam data center, and it stopped me from being able to get into the Windows US New York. Okay, this is where my account 3 DarwinX account is. So what I wanted to do is just to rest assured to you, if this happens to you, all you need to do, okay, is go to File, go to, let's just move this out of the way, go to Login to Trade Account, and then all you need to do, okay, is put in your login details and your password, and you can move it on to your other server. The only thing you need to do is you need to install a exe file, okay, which is going to be, if we go here and put Darwin, this one here is a Darwin setup 2, okay, this is for MetaTrader 5, okay. You just need to copy that and put that back onto your server, and then when you click on it and install it, let's do it. I'll show you, okay. If we open this up, yes, I know this is 4, but I'm just going to show you. Okay, what you do is you click on settings, and where you've got this, if you copy this now, it's going to rewrite your MT4 DarwinX account over what you've already got. So what you need to do is just at the end put a account 3, okay, or 2 or 1, whatever it is, and make sure you put on here a account 3 or 2 or 1 on there as well, and then hit next, and it will install the whole separate files. Okay, I'm just going to come out of this if I can. Yeah, really cancel, because obviously I don't want it to rewrite what I've already got. And then what it will do is it will install another thing. Okay, so if you go on now, I'll show you. You'll see that what I've done is I've moved this onto my other server, because I needed to get access to it, because I was a little bit concerned. I haven't been able to get access for 24 hours, and I was a bit worried because I've got a USD CAD running, GPP NZD running, and of course, you know, I'm trying to get my account into a calibration sequence, and I want to make sure that obviously it's going to make some money, because I want this to be another income that will be coming in from 1 month to 3 months. You can see that this is the new one which I've just installed, and you see it's got ACC3. So you can look, it's crazy, isn't it? The amount of times I've tried to do prop firms to try and make money. This is the very reason why I don't do it anymore. This is the very reason why now I'm concentrating solely on DarwinX 0. But you'll see that this is a DarwinX 0 account here. Okay, this one here is MetaTrader 5. So if I just installed this, then what would have happened is it would have rewrote over my MetaTrader 5. So you need to make sure that you give it another separate thing with like ACC3. So if it's your second account, your first account, just make sure you put ACC1 or ACC2 or ACC3. And then of course the DarwinX, which is this one here, okay, which is the DarwinX MT4. So if you had another separate DarwinX MT4 account, you want to make sure that when you install it in the settings, you put DarwinX MT4 ACC1, AC2 or ACC3. You make sure that you keep them independent. Okay, so that's something I've really wanted to clear up with you, because I think it's very important for you to be fully aware of that. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to jump back over, just give me 5 seconds to do this. Right, so if we go over here, back into here, desktop. Okay, so you'll see now that I've got my DarwinX one. This is the one that I've transferred over. Okay, so this is my third account, which doesn't come up on here, so you just have to remember what your numbers are. Now if we click on here, okay, on here, and then back here, you'll see now that I've got the blue one, okay, which is the MT4 account. This is an MT5 account, and this is an MT5 account. So if we go over here, you'll see that this one is my main account, which is at 354,993. This is off now, okay, because I don't want to endanger my performance fee, because my performance fee, which is coming to me, okay, providing I don't do any more trading. Okay, at the moment my P&L, which is 10,260, what this means is on January the 3rd, I should be getting a payment of £1,139.37, and this will go into my payment system here. So if we go click on here, earnings, it's not going to come through yet because I know it comes in January. I'm also expecting another one to come in February as well for the allocations that I've been working with. So you'll see that I will get quite a good lump of sum of money coming in here. So that's great because this is showing you that this system works. Remember, this is my account 1. I'm working heavily for account 2. Account 2, remember, it was at 69,000. So I'm trying to get account 2. Let's just go over here. Okay, and we want to go back in here. Account 2, which is my Darwin MT4 account, and this one at the moment is at 78,113. Okay, this is my equity. You'll see that I'm in a drawdown at the moment of about $88. Okay, now what I want to interest you in, okay, is that I know I keep banging on about the US CAD bot. Okay, so just proof is always best. Okay, remember, I've created the set files so you can make money with this. Now you'll see that my profit at the moment on my 100k account, now this is only a couple of days old, all right, is now just under $2,000. all right, so this is quite good because this is going to keep me in the risk engine. It's also going to help with my system that I have to do, my calibration sequence system, which is a 14-day calibration to see what sort of trader I am. Okay, so where I'm making regular income, okay, this is really going to help my system. All right, so if we go over here, click this up, you'll see, and this is why I want to show you this, because this is really important, because anyone that says that you can only make about $3 every single day, okay, trading, I'm just going to prove them wrong. Okay, now the bots that I've been using, GPP NZD is the artificial intelligence dinosaur bot. Okay, this started off, okay, this is the first one it did, it made $12 or $12.07. It then made $226.40. okay, no losses. Okay, made no losses at the moment, right? So the set file I've got for this is working really, really well. EuroCAD, now this is the Galaxy Gold scalper. This is quite an interesting one because what it does is it's a Galaxy Gold scalper, but it also scalps other pairs automatically that is built inside the system. Okay, now you'll see with the EuroCAD we lost $218 here. EuroCAD we lost $191 here. Okay, but then the bot started to accumulate £23.83. Another one here at $180.93. Another one here $265.66. And USD CHF, which is under the same scalper, made $396.74. Okay, so you can see what well in profit there. Okay, and the actual profit is just under $2,000. Okay, and this started on the 11th. This is when I set this account up, on the 11th, and we're now the 12th. So this is less than 24 hours. Okay, and we've just made $2,000 in a freshly new 100k account. Now, what I want to put a little bit of interest to is my USD CAD bot, okay, which I run. You've seen it. I run it on this one here. Okay, let's go back. It's this one. This one here is my USD CAD bot, okay, which I run, and I profit every single time this kicks off. Okay, every single time. This is set at 0.003, okay, and it makes less money than this one, which is set at 0.01. Okay, so this is less risk but makes more money. Okay, it's crazy, right? What I want to show you is the USD CAD. Okay, so if we look at this one here, USD CAD, it started off, it made $93.10. Okay, then it energized again, USD CAD, it made $392.51. Okay, and then it energized again, USD CAD, and it made $761.22. You could use the USD CAD, which I've said time and time and time again to my members. You could actually use just this USD CAD file, okay, and this bot to actually get yourself into allocation state with your 100k funded accounts, okay. It has the ability to do that, because if you add 761,396 or 392, okay, so that's 1100, 1200, and then we've got $93. Okay, so it's made $1,300 in less than 24 hours. Okay, so it is a very profitable bot, very, very good. Okay, it works. You know, it's got us into a profit margin. Dare I say it, but the USD CAD bot, if it has any losses, okay, it just seems to work really, really well. I've got the set file absolutely perfect, the way that I've tested it and the way I've configured it and adjusted it. And, you know, it is a great bit of kit. So what I would urge you to do, people in the membership, you need to set up, make sure you set up your USD CAD. Okay, this is for MT5. Okay, it's an MT5 account. It won't work on an MT4 account. Okay, it's going to work on an MT5 account. And just leave it chugging along. Now, what will happen is when I introduce new bots into here, because this is a fresh install, when I click on the expert advisors, I'm not going to have the bots in here, right? So I'm going to have to add all my bots and my set files and so forth in here. And what it will possibly do is I might incur some losses again with EuroCAD with the Galaxy Gold Scalper, because it is a artificial intelligent bot. It's going to scalp the market, okay, look for points to get into a market and out of the market. It's going to lose a few trades before it starts to get into a profitable market, okay, because this is how it works. It's because how it works is it finds its points, its pips inside the chart. That's how it works. Okay, so I just wanted to just point that out to you. Okay, so that was the video. This was just a little bit of a catch-up video, really, showing you at the moment. I will show you this one where I'm in a loss here of this is coming up to 78,113. This was the one where I actually, crazy as it may seem, couldn't turn my computer off because I wasn't here. Okay. That would teach me for not running a mobile with it, because I could have turned it off. So I'm not too worried about this, because I can manually get this back up anyway. Once I get over 100k, then I'm laughing. You'll see that I'm also I'm testing at the moment the Learn FX fix. The Serena MT4 bot, which is this one here. This is the older one, actually. I haven't updated. This is the 4.31, which a lot of people say isn't even working. I hadn't had any problem with it. And then the other bot, which is this one here. Well, this is actually not a bot. This is a news system which I'm testing, and you'll see that I've changed some of the algorithm to come up with my Darren's trading channel inside here. And also you'll see that it shows me what the news events are going to be. Very, very good. We get into indices, commodities, and working with stocks, which I have got a stock bot which I'm going to be relaunching. It's called I'm trying to think what it's called now. Let me just have a little look. I will be releasing this very, very shortly. I'm just in the process of gathering all the information which I require before I can do this. I'll show you. It's in here. It will be in here. Let's just move this over. It's the US 30 Omega. This comes with set files. This is going to be a great one to do. This is MQ4, so this is a MetaTrader 4. It is a stock bot. Okay, we haven't had any stock bots yet. It comes with just one expert advisor, which is right here. It comes with just one thing. I've also got the source code on this one as well, right? So you can have a play around with the source code and see if you want to manipulate it. And this one also has some prop firm setups as well. The FTMO setup, all other brokers live setup, all other prop firms setup. Okay, you need to test these, back test these first before you put it on the live account. Put it on a demo account for a couple of weeks first, just to be on the safe side. Make sure that it's starting to make profits before you put it onto your funded accounts. Okay, that's it. That's the end of this quick video. All the very best until my next video. Thank you. Bye now.